Here's some wild Texas native lantana at Summerstorm Park. This is Summerstorm Park in the Woodlands, Texas. This park is in a neighborhood across from the Woodlands High School and Powell Elementary. There's no parking at these parks. These are neighborhood parks, so they're for the residents of the neighborhood. And you can walk or ride your bike to get to the park. There is bike parking and some playground equipment, swings, picnic tables. There's a large dinosaur that kids can climb. Our community lost several large mature trees in the hurricane barrel last summer, so they've planted some new trees. This is the park. This is the playground equipment for the larger kids. And some swings. So if you like learning about this area of Texas and ecotourism, biology, pets, give my channel a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video and have a great day.